la bambina. Veni lu vento e la culturia, la cirimitria, cascai la va. Veni lu vento e la culturia, la cirimitria, cascari la va. Veni lu vento e la culturia, la cirimitria, cascari la va. Nisto silenzio sta malinconia. Bambina di l'oliva, la bambina. Veni lu vento e la culturia, la cirimitria, cascari la va. Veni lu vento e la culturia, la cirimitria, cascari la va. Veni lu vento e...
Ciao Gianca!
Ciao!
What are you doing?
I'm collecting my favorite olives because I want to make a special olive oil this time. So I'm selecting the best olives, of course, all the olives in my garden. Hello everyone!
And this year we are very happy because our trees are full of olives.
Yeah, we have a great harvest. This time we are so happy.
We are just at the beginning of our harvest because, as you know, we are very busy and so it's very hard for us. Ciao, good morning! Happy Sunday from Sicily. I'm not lazy. I'm just taking the camera for this live broadcast, but Gianca can confirm you that I'm also collecting olives, right, Gianca?
No, Rosella didn't do anything. Rosella just watch and complain every time. Oh, you are doing wrong. You should do this, you should do that.
I would like to come closer, Gianca, to show the olives because this tree is amazing and maybe this way.
Come closer, come closer.
So, this one was already harvested, no? We complete this one and this is the result. For this one, at this point, this is the result for the first one.
Poi te lo faccio vedere, poi lo inquadro io.
Now,
Se no tu non ci riesci.
we are going to harvest the second one. This one. Look at this, guys. The ginkgo
Dove
is
sei?
in trouble.
Dove sei?
Here.
Posso?
Yes.
No, aspetta che scendo. Levati. Go away. I don't wanna fall on you.
Wow.
I'm very happy. And I'm selecting the best ones. So the big ones like this to make the martini olives for the cocktails. So the salad olives. I'm gonna show you my favorite recipe to get the best balance between the salt and the, how do you say, the sour? No, it's not sour. This is only salt, but not so salt, because you have to be able to enjoy it for your aperitifs. And so I just collect a bag. Rosella, come with me. They are the biggest one. The biggest olives. Not so big. Actually, they are not very big, but for me they are enough to make the salty olives. And
It's a good bag. I'm so happy
yeah, but
about
this is just the first tree. Actually, it's one of the most difficult trees to harvest, because it's as you can see, it's a cluster of trees. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different tracks, and we spent
all the morning.
all the morning from 9 a.m. to noon, only to collect, only to pick the olives from this tree. And this is the result.
How many kilos, Gianca? What do
think-
you think? 20 kilos?
20. I think 20 kilos.
At least 20 kilos.
Yeah, I don't know in pounds, 40 pounds, I don't know. But this is enough for one tree. So now I was picking, how do you say, doing the harvest of the second tree. And as you can see, sometimes it's very easy, because you can collect the olives at this level, so you don't have to use the staircase.
The level right for me, Gianca.
Yeah, the right level for Rosella. But there are many other olives on the top floor, on the highest level. So you need the staircase. And we are so happy because we are enjoying a beautiful day. I think since yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, we were surprised by the amazing temperature. The Scirocco, the wind from Africa, blew yesterday suddenly, and temperature suddenly, how do you say,
Increase.
reached 27 degrees in the night. So that's amazing, because we had a very bad time in November, and so a lot of rain, as you know. And now, as you can see, the sky is not clear, because when the Scirocco wind blows, every time the sky becomes so cloudy,
yeah.
so foggy, because of the sand from the Sahara. But temperatures are very good. I'm sweating. If you see my t-shirt, I'm wet.
We have some questions, Gianca. Ciao Maureen, ciao Cristina.
Hello everyone.
Ciao Teresa, ciao Cita e Matteo.
Mettiti qua, così facciamo vedere il panorama.
Non si vede, sei in controluce, preferisco
Sì?
che ti metti con le olive. Guarda, mettiti là seduto, che è bellissima.
Con le olive, ok.
Sì, mettiti...
She wanna display the olives, so
Yeah.
they're so beautiful. Oh, look at that. This is very good. Good shape, good size.
Ciao
The
Teresa.
perfect size for the olive martini cocktail.
Oh, we have one person, Paul Panuto, wish I was there helping you. So maybe some Sicily lovers could
Next
come,
time.
to help us.
Next time we have to plan a tour of Sicily in mid-October, not later, because then it becomes rainy. but in mid-October you
We
have
are
the
late.
opportunity to harvest the olives, in particular in some special places in Sicily, such as the area of Ragusa, the area of Agrigento, Castelvetrano, not Agrigento. Castelvetrano is better. So we can arrange a beautiful tour of Sicily focused on the harvest of the olives, and then we can make all together the olive oil. We can go to the mill to press the olives and get the olive oil.
Another question from Anthony Sanfilippo. Ciao, Anthony.
Ciao, pedazzo!
Who is holding the ladder? Nobody. Gianca is the perfect murder. I hope Gianca could fall.
I
I'm
just
joking.
say risky. I love to risk because I have an opportunity to stop working with Rosella in particular, because if I break my leg, I have the chance to say, okay, Rosella, I can't work for you anymore.
Maureen, how many olive trees do you have?
I have about 12 or 13. But the most difficult thing is that we, as you can see, guys, we don't have a flat, a plan garden. We have the i muretti a secco, the typical, the traditional Sicilian walls made by the stones. Show this. Show this. So because we are on the slopes of a mountain, so it's impossible to have a flat garden, and so it's so difficult to use the net as the majority of people do. You know, you can spread a net at the feet of the tree. And so it's so easy because you shake the tree, all the olives fall down, and then you collect all the olives like the fishermen do. So this is the easiest way, but not here, because I don't have enough space to spread the net. I put the net. I took the net, but I said to myself, no, I don't have any opportunity. So perhaps in another situation I will use it. For example, that tree is good to use the net, but not this where I am now.
And how many days, Gianca, do you think we need to harvest all these trees?
I don't know, because we began this morning, and so che devo fare?
Da mettere qua,
Mi devo mettere qua. She's the director, she's my boss. She says every time, you do this, you do that. Okay, guys, I don't know, because I began the job, the work
Gianca,
right
sorry,
now.
Sorry, Gianca. We began. Sorry.
Rosella tries every time to insist to say that she also works, but don't believe in her. She only watches. She only
It's not true, guys. Why?
complains every time, and so
you are saying
I'm
this?
doing the hard job, not Rosella. Don't believe in her.
Guys, I know that you trust more me than Gianca.
Because Rosella is tiny, and so she only she's able to collect only the olives at this level. So she doesn't use any staircase. She doesn't go in the top level like me. So she makes the easiest job. So don't believe in her.
I don't care about this because there are a lot of branches very,
Rosella's
at my
level.
level. So-
Ground level.
So it's perfect. And so, guys.
So we
need
hope to finish. We hope to end this work in a week, because now it's Sunday and we are spending all the day.
Not only the day, Gianca, please. Sherry maybe is watching us, so before
we have to send Sherry the final email with
Yeah.
the beautiful tour of Sicily for the people from Omaha,
We are ready.
from Nebraska. We made the PDF with the complete tour schedule with all details or photos, all contents. We have just to write your email, Sherry. We will enjoy a beautiful tour of Sicily, and this time we can wait to meet you
to hug you and spend
because
a great time all together.
we had to postpone, because of the COVID, because of a lot of situations. But now everybody says 2022 will be the right year, so.
Finger cross it.
But not only for Sherry,
No.
also for Teresa.
Yeah.
She's collecting another group of people from Omaha. Then we have Alisa Spatafori in April.
Yeah.
Then we have the Rubino, Marianne and John.
The two
Then we
groups
have
from Canada.
Canada, Massimo Bruno from Toronto.
Oh, the Sicily Lovers Tour. Don't forget the Sicily,
The Sicily Lovers Tour
in
that
June.
finally is sold out in June. If you guys, we are still waiting for your, for your help.
Yeah.
If you want us to put together a second edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour, write in the comment which is your favorite date, because we can plan a second edition, because the first is sold out.
In June 22.
In June, and remember the date, June 4th, June 15. I think that's the best period of the year to visit Sicily.
With the longest days.
With the longest
Light, no?
number of hours of light.
Yeah.
So in June it gets dark at 9:30 p.m. So you can enjoy Sicily in the most comfortable way. You don't have to rush, because the days are very, very long. And then what we are working on.
Too many.
Many people. Greg Wintrub. Then we have Matt Maggio. Matt, if you're watching us, we look forward to meeting you and all the people they are traveling with you. We are talking about 8 people.
So guys, we are in trouble. We have to harvest the olives, we have to manage the Sicily Lovers Store, and we have to plan a lot of trip to Sicily.
So what's the summary of this speech? We are taking the opportunity to harvest now. It's a Sunday, and we will spend all the day collecting olives, but from tomorrow we will start again working on the tours, on the online store, because it's also an important business for now.
And new items are coming soon.
So we will try to make a balance between our business and the olive harvest. I know it's not easy, but we need at least to find a couple of hours in the early morning to harvest olives, because we want to end in 1 week. This is our mission.
Yeah. Next Sunday I want to go to the mill.
Yeah. And out of the joke, Rosella is very helpful. I have to say,
honestly,
frankly speaking, she worked with me, even if she makes a little part, but
a little part.
This is the best I can ask her.
More than Gianca, guys, believe me. The only trouble, guys, is the mosquitoes.
Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. They are still alive. We are in November. Usually mosquitoes die in September, October. I don't know why they are still alive, and it's so annoying.
You also have this one, a dead mosquitoes here, Gianca. I realized right now.
Perhaps you slapped my face to kill it.
Guys, we have to go on because olives are waiting for us. Just to share with you this moment, to wish you happy Sunday. And to remind you that if you want to plan a trip to Sicily, you can visit our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com. And if you want to have a piece of Sicily at your home, an authentic, more than an authentic, because we have 800 items that are waiting for you, handmade in Sicily, with a lot of love.
Don't say it, because people don't care about the number of the items, because some people only care about the items that we don't have. Even if we have more than 800 of artworks, there are some people who looks for the other item that we didn't invent it yet. So it's amazing. But out of the joke, this is our opportunity to do it better, to increase our online store, to invent something new.
We are just at the beginning of this new adventure.
I got a new idea, for example. This is a secret. I don't want to reveal it now.
Yeah,
but,
no.
In a few days, you will see what Gianca is creating. This is a new creation, an original creation. I didn't see anywhere. It's only the result of my stupid mind. Because it's a crazy work. But I will include also this new item soon. I don't want to say nothing now, because I have to be sure that the result is very good before I include it in the online store.
So be ready. Guys, we love you. See you in the next days. And so
Happy Sunday from Sicily. That's the most important thing. Enjoy your Sunday. I don't know if you have some olive trees and you can harvest the olives too, but take the opportunity to do something special. Create something. Call your friends. Call your parents. Make something different to escape from the normality, from the routine. So do something that can renovate your soul, that can make you better person.
Yeah.
In particular, if you can stay close to the nature, into the wild, I think this is a great opportunity to breathe and to
regenerate your soul.
Yeah,
also.
and to be in synchrony with the good vibes. Yeah. That's so important.
Ciao Liz!
Ciao Liz!
And ciao Rosella, ciao everyone, ciao Tommaso, ciao Salvatore Teodosio.
Ciao Sal!
Sai con i sentiamo.
Infatti, it's a long time we didn't hear you.
Guys, we love you.
From the olive harvest, it's all. I wanna switch on the view. On the scale.
I have to say bye-bye before.
Okay, say bye-bye, say your famous sentence, and then I switch to the Gulf of Carini.
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
E la mancia della liva.
E ancora. Amoni va, quanto mi metto a cogliere pure io, va? Vediamo un panaretto e cogliamo pure io, amoni. Quando ci facciamo a birra che è vero che sta cogliendo. Vedete che coglio pure io. Ciao belli picciotti e picciotte. Ciao dear Sicily lovers. Fate un buon pranzo.
Hello everyone, happy Sunday from Sicily. Rosella is with me, don't worry.
Happy Sunday from Sicily, dear Sicily lovers.
I'm in the shade.
Ciao picciotte e picciotti.
Aspetta, wait, because I'm in the shade and okay. Guys, happy Sunday. This is a very short live broadcast.
Just a preview.
A short feed, because we are going to,
Yeah.
I just say, complete our dream. Our dream has come true in a few minutes. Guys, we are at the end of the harvest, of the olive harvest, and
Finally, after a week.
no, actually we've been working for 3 days, 3 full days, because we started last Sunday, but we had 5 days of rain, and so we have to stop.
We have to work also.
We work on the tours on 2022. And we have a special event, but this is a surprise in December. And where else? So we
Many things. And the online store, of course.
the online store. We started over yesterday. Yesterday we had a very hard day, about 10 hours. 10 hours working, because we had to collect the last 4 trees, the hollies from the 4 trees. And so now I want to show you something. I'm very optimistic today. This is my goal. This is about 5 gallons. And so we have to fill it with olive oil.
Finger crossed for us.
Rosella,
Now the last part, no? We want to share the last moment of this harvest.
this is so symbolic. This is so symbolic. We wanna pick the last olives with you. So,
with the basket handmade by Claudio, the Sicilian basket, and made with love. So let's go.
you're in the shade. Okay, I follow you. Or you wanna follow me?
Better if I follow you. So let's go. This is your garden, so the honor must be yours.
Okay, thank you.
Very emotional for us, guys.
This is the last branch. I think you have to be closer, because it's in the shade, and I will do for you. So this is the last branch. They are the last olives, and I'm going to pick them now for you. So this is a special symbolic moment.
And today we are very lucky because it's a beautiful sunny day.
That's why I'm wearing this beautiful handmade and painted t-shirt by Ionella and Gaia. Gaia is the tailor, Ionella is the painter. Sicily lover, and this is the beautiful sun. One of the symbols Sicily, because out of the joke, we are not, this is not our habit. We used to enjoy the sun, not the rain. So the rain is an exception. And thank you. I want to say thank you, tree, for giving me this beautiful gift.
We can wait to see the result, no? The profit of this harvest. We don't know how many kilos
So
we collect.
this is the last one, all together. Mwah. I wanna say something. We don't used to eat so fresh. You can't eat olives when you pick from the tree. You have to wait at least 3 months. So don't get wrong. This is not a Sicilian habit. Or it's very just say sour, very
bitter also.
bitter. Yeah.
Yeah. And of course we can plan another live broadcast to share your recipe about
Yeah.
the olive oils,
Gianca's salty olives.
Yeah.
Le olive in salamoia. It
Olive
means
salate.
not the smashed ones, not the break ones. They are the olive scacciate in Sicilian. I mean the salamoia, the salty ones. They are the olives you can use with your martini cocktail, for example. So sweet. Come with me, Rosella, because this is the last part of my venture, of our venture. Sorry, because Rosella, I have to be honest. Rosella,
Was I a good partner for you to collect olives?
ciao Gig, ciao. His name Gig. Andiamo.
You didn't reply my question, Gianca.
Yeah, Rosella was
I a good partner?
Rosella was very helpful. Rosella worked with me till the end. So, no, I forgot to say. No, Rosella,
What?
there is another. Come with me. You forgot this one.
Oh,
You forgot this one.
yeah. Wow. And now we are really ready.
Okay. Siamo qui? Un po' qui?
We have to share the amount of olives because otherwise these bags will be too heavy to bring.
I already broke my back. my back hurts me. So I be careful because they are really heavy now. And so as you can see, our, our production is about 300 pounds. Where are you filming, Rosella?
You and the bags. Otherwise, you are too tall for.
I'm not the guest star. They are the guest stars. One, two, three, four, and then we have two more. They are full of olives. Thank you, Rosella.
We also have the black one.
The black ones are very, very good.
To make passoluni, we call them passoluni. So you can put salt on the surface and let them dry for at least 10 days at the open space with the sun.
But we will talk about the most traditional recipes later in another live broadcast. Okay, Rosella?
Yes, it's time to bring to pick these bags full of olives into the car and run to the olive oil mill because they are waiting for us. I don't want to be late, so see you maybe in 30 minutes.
Come with me.
So guys, see you maybe in 30-40 minutes or less from the olive oil mill pressure to see the result of this harvest, the extra virgin olive oil. So stay tuned.
See you later.
Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao, picciotti e picciotte. Ciao.
L'oliva la bambina, veni lu vento e la culturia, la cirimitria, cascai la Mascherina fa.
Sta arrivando. Here we go. Happy Sunday again. Look at this. This is my result. The productivity is very, very good this year, and so we can wait to turn these olives in olive oil. Come with me, Rosella, because I'm impatient to know the weight. Pesamole. È meglio che ci vai da questo lato.
We are very curious about the result.
Wow!
Oh my God! 200! Wow!
Quanto pesa il cestello? 30 kg, quindi sono 167.
Wow!
Dillo, 167 kilos, so more than 300 pounds.
Wow!
No, io non ne macina la cola, non ne macina lei.
A
So-
very good harvest, guys.
We have to wait because we are in the list, in the waiting list. Someone had a better production than me.
Oh, and there are some olives so big. Look at this, for example, Gianca. Maybe I can take this for the cocktail, no? To make with salt. Look at this, so beautiful. I'm very happy about the result, Gianca. I didn't expect so many kilos. Wow. So we did a great job, a great job. This year we can imagine such a beautiful result.
Guys, can we have a feedback of the audio because the olive oil mill is so noisy?
Yeah.
But first of all, let me say hello to Gabriele and let's storm. Happy Sunday from Sicily, guys. How are you? Ti vuoi mettere al sole?
Yes.
So you better
In the
don't
meantime,
stay so closer because it's a little bit noise.
come with me, Gianca.
Where are you going?
I'm not the star. You are the star because this is your harvest, no? So.
No, but you work with me.
Oh, thank you.
I'm so proud of you, Rosella, because you helped me.
I know, of course, you are proud of me. I'm the best one for you.
Guys, what about the audio? Please write in the comments. Can you hear us? Can you hear us?
Maybe this way. So we were talking about the meal.
The productivity.
No? Yes.
First of all, we were talking about the productivity. This year, last summer was so dry. We didn't have any rain between May till October. So the olives had no chance to ripen in the best way. So they say the productivity is not so high, about the 14-15%. And this is my turn. I have to switch again
We
because
are so touched. So.
this
so
is my
excited.
moment. This is my moment.
Vai dall'altro lato.
He suggests me to go the other side.
Guys, you can imagine how we feel right now.
I'm
this
so
is
touched.
the result of our effort.
I'm friends. Vai. Vai.
A buca.
Cala.
Queste poste.
Oh! Queste sono le nostre. Questo è il frutto del nostro sudore. This is the result of our sacrifice, our work. We've been working three full days.
Yeah.
Rosella, how do you feel?
I'm so touched. I can't wait to see
The result.
the result, but also the process, no?
The process.
The process from the olive to the olive oil, no? So
Now
this is amazing.
We will try to display you the entire process. So we will show you the press, and then all the process, the cleaning process, till the end, till the last part of the process, when you will see the olive oil coming out from the machine,
Yeah.
from the tube.
Josephine, your own olive trees? Yes!
This is the result of 3 full days of work. We worked last Sunday. Was the last day of, how do you say, last sunny day. Then we had 5 rainy days. We had to stop. We started over yesterday. Yesterday was a very, very long day, about 10 hours picking olives. Rosella helped me, and
I did.
and I think I'm forgetting something. No, not only yesterday, the day before yesterday, and this morning we collect just the symbolic last part, just some branch, just to show you our last harvest. So if you didn't watch our last broadcast, last feed, you can see in the channel the last part of the harvest. And then we came to the olive oil mill to share with you this special moment. We are so touched because I don't mind the quantity. I just want to see our olive oil, no matter if it's a huge quantity. The most important thing is that this is the result of our efforts.
Yeah.
Okay, Rosella?
Yeah.
And so it comes from the bottom of our heart. We did it with the heart, and so we look forward to see the final result. Rosella, I would like to take. Oh, they are going. They are going. They are going. Andiamo, andiamo.
Là era 196.
So first, they have to be cleaned. This is the first step. The first step of the process. They are cleaned. The machine separates olives from the leaves, and you can see olives are perfectly clean. Then they are inspired. They are going to the mill. That's the mill. This is the result of my olives before they are getting pressed by the mill. have to say that many people don't know the real color of the olive oil. So guys, this is the real color. Green is the color. The green color is the actual color of olive oil. So when you go to the supermarket, they sell fake olive oil. This is the real olive oil. In siciliano, Purico, chis è l'olio d'oliva. Chi che trovate nel supermercato non è olio d'oliva. È innescato con un sacco di cose con sonno olio d'oliva.
Would you like to bet how many liters? Write in the comments. I think 20 liters. What do you think, Gianca?
I say 18.
18?
Yeah.
So I am more optimist than you. Every time I'm more optimist than you. So now, as you can see, the stone are stopped.
No, my olive oil is there.
Oh.
Is there. It came out from the mill and now is there. Let me say something about the process.
Yeah, it's important because not this way. We cannot jump, Gianca.
So let me say something about the process. This is a cold process. We used to say this is a cold process because we don't use any chemical stuff. Only the mill, only machines that work without any chemical products. So only the pressure and the separation between the oil and water, and so nothing bad is added during the process. And
cold, Gianca,
cold process. This is a freddo. In Italian we say frantoio a freddo.
To preserve all the properties.
I got the microphone, Rosella.
I would like to add a second microphone to you to enrich.
To improve the volume. No, I think they only hear the noise of the machines. So
let's write 24 liters.
Oh, Liz, you are so optimist. I would like it true, but I don't think. We had a bad season. Olives didn't have the opportunity to ripen in the correct way because they had no rain at all from May to October. But you never know.
Oh, look at Brian. I would have thought that you would get over 40 liters.
It's too much, it's too much.
Magari signori, come si dice qua in Sicilia. Noi ce ne aspettiamo cannietta, però ma essere pure realisti, non è che ma sognare.
We have to be realistic. We have to. Okay, we wait for the best results, but out of the joke, it's impossible that we have more than 20% of productivity. Because the season is not so good, and but we are not, how do you say, unhappy. We will be satisfied. We will be happy because it's the result of our effort, and it's just like a gift from Mother Nature. So even if it's 10 liters, we will be satisfied.
But maybe with the power of our Sicily lovers community, we can maximize the result, no?
We hope so. So, finger crossed. Think about us.
is beautiful, Gianca.
It's amazing, it's delicious. Are you ready?
Perfect, no?
I think this is the most beautiful color I can expect. This is the color, green is the color.
Sorry that you cannot smell it. Vuoi fare un saluto?
Ecco, a tutta l'americana. Auguri americana.
La torretta con Bologna.
La Carini con Bologna.
Oh, questo è torrettese.
Siamo torrettesi e ci avantiamo.
Fanno l'olio buono, quello dopo.
La verità, è la verità.
Olio di montagna.
Grazie, grazie.
Come si chiama lei? Come si chiama?
Giovanni. Giovanni from Torretta, a nearby village, very close to Carini. Giovanni come?
Raccoglia.
Giovanni Raccoglia, un saluto a tutti gli americani che ci guardano.
Appunto, tutti gli americani, specialmente quelli della Pennsylvania.
He says hello to all the American people, in particular to people from Pennsylvania.
Good, good.
Salutiamo.
Ciao.
Wow, wow, wow. Guys, this is amazing. I am so touched.
olive oil is a little bit bitter, but it isn't. Wow. It's made of... Wow. Feel the last drop, Gianca, come on! Feel the last drop! think? Are you excited?
I'm happy. So,
I think it's a good result, Gianca, no?
do you have the keys?
Yes. Maybe.
But we can say hello.
Yeah, of course. So come with me.
So,
With this.
that's bad. That's bad.
Okay, this way. So I think they are not 25, but 22 for sure.
23.
23, maybe.
23.
So it's a good result.
It's about 4 gallons.
Yes, but I told 20.
No,
You told.
more than 4. Guys, I'm satisfied.
Yeah,
So don't get me wrong. Of course, this is our I just say survivor tank because we have to be over optimist, but we are happy with this result. So
Yes.
this is better than nothing.
Yes, because you told 18. I bet 20. So
Yeah.
23 is
Even more
Even more.
than you expected. And now we are so impatient because we have to enjoy the brand new olive oil with the traditional bread. Guys, I really thank you for watching so far because we made a very long broadcast. And it was annoying. It was I just say boring. Sorry, not annoying.
I don't think so,
Boring.
because still a lot of people are watching us.
Because
so
perhaps they were curious to know
result.
which is the result. Thank you so much for watching us so far. And
don't forget our coupon code for the Black Friday.
Yeah.
You can enter at the checkout the code Black Friday Sicily, and you will get the 10% discount.
so it is valid till the end of November. You can use it in your next purchase on our online store, sicilylover.com. Don't forget to visit the new collection, the brass jewelry made by Tania, inspired to the Sicilian flowers. Now we have the Capers flowers, we have the Winteria, we have the orchids, we have the
Wisteria also.
Wisteria, and I forgot
many other
Yeah,
flowers.
and in a few days, we are very close to upload the new winter Coppola ad collection, just like the Coppola I'm wearing today,
Yeah.
made by wool.
Yeah.
Of course, entirely made by an artisan, a Sicilian artisan.
And made with love in Sicily.
Yeah.
Guys, we wish you a great Sunday. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your love. And see you in the next days. Now it's time to enjoy our lunch because in Sicily it's very late. Let me check the time. Oh, it's 20 p.m.
I don't know what she's saying. I don't know.
2:20 p.m. Huh? 20 p.m.
2:20, yeah. So
because
20 past 2.
Ah.
Okay?
Okay.
It's time to lunch. It's time to have lunch. We are starving, but we are impatient to enjoy, to taste the new olive oil. Guys, thanks a lot. Thank you, Liz, for watching so far. Thank you again for your beautiful message, for your beautiful email, as always. And
we love you.
we love you. It's correct. We love you. From the bottom of our heart, we love you all. Guys, see you the next one.
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.